Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Assistant and review activity history, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.google.com and press enter. Once the Google homepage loads, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner. Click on the grid icon to reveal a menu of Google Apps. From the menu, select Google Assistant. If you do not see Google Assistant, you may need to search directly for it using the search bar. After clicking on Google Assistant, you may be prompted to sign in. Enter the email address associated with your Google account. Click Next to proceed to the password entry screen. Type your password into the password field and click Next. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Google Assistant interface. To review your activity history, find the profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on your profile icon to access account settings. From the drop-down menu, select My Activity. This will take you to a page displaying your activity history across Google services. Here, you can filter your activity by date or by product. Scroll through the list to find specific actions related to Google Assistant. To view details, click on any entry in the list. This will open a detailed view of your activity, showing the exact commands you gave to Google Assistant. If you wish to delete any activity, click on the three dots next to the entry. From the options presented, select Delete to remove it from your history. You can also adjust your activity settings by clicking Activity Controls in the sidebar. From here, you can manage what data is saved and how it's used by Google Assistant. Make any necessary changes and ensure to save your preferences. Once you are satisfied with your settings, you can log out by returning to the profile icon. Click on it again and select Sign Out from the menu. You have now successfully logged into Google Assistant and reviewed your activity history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.